Welcome. This video will guide you through programming your Tesla Model 3 keycard. Keycards provide keyless entry and vehicle start for your Tesla Model 3. We'll cover adding, erasing, and testing keycards. As of 2026, Tesla's system emphasizes security and digital key integration. Keycards are still essential as a backup, especially when app connectivity is unavailable. Tesla Model 3 keycards use RFID technology, which stands for Radio Frequency Identification. This allows wireless communication between the card and the vehicle's systems for secure keyless entry and starting. The keycard system revolves around secure pairing and authentication. Each card contains a unique identifier that gets paired with the vehicle's immobilizer, ensuring only authorized cards can access the car. This process includes encryption to protect against cloning. Tesla's key ecosystem is evolving. While physical key cards provide reliable backup access, the company is moving towards digital solutions like Phone as Key through the Tesla app and NFC-enabled devices for enhanced convenience and integration with the vehicle's systems. Keycard security includes AES-256 encryption and pairing with the vehicle's VIN to prevent unauthorized access. Tesla regularly updates the system to address potential vulnerabilities and maintain robust protection. To add a new keycard, start by sitting in the driver's seat with the new card on your person. On your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Locks, then Keys, and select Add Key. Follow the on-screen prompts to scan the card by holding it near the center console card reader. The vehicle will confirm the addition with a notification on the screen. Remember, you can program up to 19 key cards per vehicle for multiple users. To erase a key card from your Tesla Model 3, start by accessing the vehicle's touchscreen menu. From Controls, select the Locks option. Then navigate to the Keys submenu. In the Keys menu, select Remove Key. Select the specific key card you want to erase, identified by its nickname or number. Confirm the removal to permanently disassociate the card from your vehicle. This permanent disassociation is crucial for maintaining security, especially if a card is lost or stolen. After programming your key card, exit the vehicle and lock it using the existing key or app to ensure it's secure for testing. With the vehicle locked, use your new key card to attempt unlocking and locking the doors. Bring the card close to the door pillar sensor and press the button. Then test the trunk by holding the card near the trunk sensor. To test starting the car, place your key card on the center console card reader. Then press the brake pedal while seated in the driver's position. The car should start if the card is properly programmed. Walk away from the vehicle to test auto lock functionality. After a few seconds, the car should automatically lock itself if the feature is enabled and your key card is properly recognized. Finally, approach the vehicle to test auto unlock. As you get closer with your key card, the doors should automatically unlock if the proximity feature is active and the card is working correctly. Tesla uses AES-256 encryption for data transmission, providing robust protection for key card communications through advanced cryptographic standards. Always ensure your vehicle is in park mode with the charge port closed during programming. These conditions help prevent accidental movements and ensure secure key card operations. If programming fails, visit a Tesla service center for a reset. Professional technicians can diagnose issues and restore your key card system. As of late 2025, Tesla introduced enhanced anti-theft measures, requiring key cards to be paired with the vehicle's VIN. This pairing process adds an extra layer of security against theft and cloning. If your key card isn't working, first ensure the card reader is clean. Dirt or debris can interfere with the RFID signal. Next, check for software updates on your Tesla. Outdated firmware can cause key card issues, so install any available updates through the vehicle's touchscreen. Try restarting your Tesla by turning it off completely and then back on. This can resolve temporary glitches in the key system. If problems persist after these steps, contact Tesla support for assistance. They can help diagnose and fix more complex issues. According to Tesla support logs from 2025, only 3% of programming attempts fail, and most are due to software glitches that can often be resolved with these troubleshooting steps. The trend is towards digital keys. Tesla owners increasingly use the mobile app for keyless access, as shown in these app screenshots displaying vehicle controls and status. By 2030, physical key cards may be obsolete, replaced by biometric or AI-driven access. Tesla's V4 software platform, expected in 2027, may automate key management. Regardless, key cards will persist for legacy support, with trends favoring hybrid systems that combine physical and digital access. For the latest information, always consult the official Tesla app or website.